Welcome back to 20 Car. You've never seen thunder packaged like this before. The 2025 GMC Hummer EV Concept isn't just a truck, it's a rolling, roaring, neon-lit spaceship that decided to get dirty. This beast throws out the rulebook, blends apocalypse-ready armor with LED elegance, and cruises like a high-tech panther with a V8 roar turned electric. Outside, it looks like it was carved out of meteorite. Sharp edges, gigantic 35-inch tires, illuminated grille like it's staring into your soul. The roof panels? Removable. Let the wind flirt with your hair while you conquer mountains, or just the grocery run. Slide inside, and the dash feels like Iron Man's command center. Ultra-wide digital displays stretch across with sci-fi graphics, 3D navigation, and off-road telemetry that makes you feel like you're piloting a Mars rover. It's techy but still tough, wrapped in carbon fiber and bronze finishes that scream premium warrior. Under the skin, it packs 3 motors, churning out up to 1,000 horsepower. Torque? A planet-shifting 11,500 pounds to foot. 0 to 100 kilometers height in just 3.2 seconds, for a pickup. That's hypercar territory in a tank-sized package. Rivals? The Rivian R1T and Tesla Cybertruck wish they had this swagger. Price starts near $110,000, and yep, it's a wallet burner. Ownership costs? Premium insurance, complex electronics, and beefy tires add up. But depreciation? Surprisingly slow thanks to collector-level hype. Driving it feels like commanding a land-dominating dragon. Silent when cruising, monstrous when unleashed. Pros? Off-road mastery, insane tech, futuristic look. Cons? Size can be intimidating, and charging takes time without fast infrastructure.